Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm playing with slime, which is with glitter. So the first one I'm gonna take out is the blue one. You guys, that one's so glittery. I can't even feel the world with. Like, I can't. Gooey. So the thing I'm gonna put in is beads. Beads. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Get that out. Slime off me. Okay, now let's mix. Lots of bead and dots. Bead. No. Sticky again. Okay. I put some beads in this one. I'm allowed to have slime now. So I'm a big girl. Which is I'm not little. Like I'm this tall. And I'm allowed to have slime. But I'm not really allowed. So, let's put this one back. And do the other ones. Because I like to have slime. Oh, that was in my hair. This one works, guys. There we go. Put the little one in. There we go. Ooey and gooey slime. Gooey slime. Nothing's hard to get out. Yeah, look at all that stretchy slime. Stretchy. Okay. I love that slime. It's so sticky. I know how to get that thing out. Now let's mix. Yeah, I got all of that slime out. Got jelly beans all over me. See some hearts. Do you guys? Purple slime on me. This slime is real sticky, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. Put that thing back. Go, Gina, go. Go, Gina, go. Look at this one, guys. It's pink. No, go ask Mommy. You're not gonna be in here while I'm making a video of my slime. Mommy said share. No, I'm not gonna share my slime just because I'm doing a video. And she did not say that. Is there why you're not gonna do that? We don't know. Not just a little bit, a lot. A lot. What I mean. That's what I mean. Glitter, glitter, what I mean. We glitter, we glitter, we. A lot of glitter. A lot of tingles. A lot of glitter. A lot of glitter. Yeah. A lot of glitter. A lot of glitter. This was so cool. A lot of glitter. That was so cool. I want that slime. No, not kidding. Or taking it home. Yeah. I don't want it anyways. Because I don't trust me. Because I put a lot of beads in here. This slime is so cool. I'm very good at making slime. And containers. I'll go to my mom. Mommy, look at my pink slime. Alright. Okay. I put a lot of beads in here. Awesome. And I put a little bit of heart in here and a little bit of beads in here. Cool. Love it. Alright. And Mom, I put a lot of hearts in here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and guys, don't forget to see my mom. Come here, Mom. No, I don't want to be in it. Well, I'm done with my video. Okay. I don't know how to pause it. So, make sure when I do another video, you better smash that video, click my subscribe video, and you better follow me. Bye.